Hey y'all, this is Joe on Joe's Fishing Show. As you can tell, it looks like I'm out here in the middle of a field, but actually I'm at my secret fishing spot. And look here, see that out in them trees? That's where I'm going, so y'all get ready. You see some pro crappie fishermen getting after it. Y'all see that snake right there? He will be right there at the tip of my finger on that log. See him? I ain't even getting over in there. Dude. I just caught that on my new bait. Look at that big old goggle eye. Yeah. That was fun right there now. Got it on this crappie pole. Look at him bending. Look at that crappie pole bending. Yeah. Sir. Look at that big old sucker. Yeah. Hang on just a minute. Big old goggle eye. That's right. Now we're gonna. I ain't putting him in the boat.
Why?
I don't want him.
That's good meat.
Well, you ain't gonna clean it, are you?
We got the snake right there. See him?
No. Well, don't get him in the boat.
There he is. Big old brown. He just killed it.
Alright, y'all. Fish ain't hitting nothing except this little mighty minnow right here. It's called a mighty minnow. Now, I ain't got no cameraman, so I just caught him on that. It's a mighty minnow, and that's what they're hitting on today. Hey y'all, I want to tell y'all something. I'm out here fishing right now. As you can see, this beautiful spot I'm at. And this little dude right here, see him? That's called a mighty minnow. I got about 4-pound test line on here, so it can wiggle and do its thing. And this little dude right here, when that fish won't hit nothing else, they will hit this right here. I guarantee you. If you can find you some, you better get them, 'cause that's what they're hitting on.